To improve device innovation and success while reducing the reliance on physical testing, medical device engineering companies need to leverage powerful modeling and simulation capabilities that deliver a new innovation experience for designers and engineers. Imagine being able to design and develop medical devices with a data-driven and model-based engineering platform that has the best-in-class apps and processes for 3D design, systems engineering, multiphysics simulations, and virtual human modeling, while also connecting the required people, processes, and data for innovation. With MedTech Engineering Excellence, designers and engineers can rapidly explore the virtual device design space to test promising designs in real-world usage scenarios and validate optimal designs against product requirements and business objectives, while reducing the reliance on expensive and time-consuming physical, animal, and human testing. With the solution, you can increase the range and value of novel, smart, and innovative medical devices to satisfy unmet patient needs, reduce the cost and time of new product development while ensuring traceability and defensibility, and improve patient experiences and treatment outcomes. Increase innovation while reducing product development costs and accelerate time to market of innovative, safe, and effective medical devices with MedTech Engineering Excellence. Discover more.